Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Christmas memories with Miranda and Lisa. And I just decided to do a bunch of different things with this and kind of freestyle it. Today's theme is all about Santa letters, and we do our Santa letters the night before Christmas. It's the one that we leave out with the Santa cookies that I have already done my process video for. And it's left out, and then what Josh and I do, we write on the back of it. So I have the actual Christmas letter in my December daily book, and then this is going to go right beside it. So the collection that I am using is an older sugar plum from My Mind's Eye, and then this like craft style paper there, the Fa La La, it's from the Fa La La crepe paper collection, and I am using glitter. You'll see me wipe multiple times. I'm letting you know that I think almost every paper I use has glitter of some sort. And the paper, my main back paper from My Mind's Eye has like some homes and a church and that kind of stuff. And I normally do use them. Like if I go back home to my mom and dad's, I am Catholic, and so when I do go back home to my mom and dad's for like Christmas or whatever, we always go to church Christmas Eve and that kind of stuff. But I'm going to be honest, I don't do it here. Or I don't do it any other time than when I do go home. So this particular paper had a harder time, like I had a harder time using it when I first got this collection. But now I'm like, wait, I can just cover that up. Like I know better than that. So that's what I did. I decided to take all of these little papers, and you'll see me use a lot of Tombow. The glitter is insane, and it's super duper hard to, and then the ATG ran out, of course. So this is when you start to see me use my Tombow. But I use Tombow on this anyway because everything is glittered. Even that bottom part where the deer is at, along with the homes and stuff, that's glittered. The Fa La La is glittered. This is glittered. It's insanely glittered. But I really like how this turned out. It's super girly, super pink, super my daughter's style mentality. And it works out wonders. And this only took me 27 minutes. It was a super easy layout, but a super fun layout for me. Because I really liked doing all of the layering, like I have stated before. The two main things that I do is layer, 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 like I did here. And then also distress. But I decided on this one to not, distress anything. Because it's so super duper glittery to begin with. It works out perfect. The letter is the front part. It's the letter that she wrote. And it's a 4x6, and it's Dear Santa, and then it explains it. And then the other picture is our Santa cookies, our sugar cookies. And here I am, now I'm ready to embellish. I don't do any journaling on this because the letter speaks for itself. I don't have much left of this collection, but I just loved how this collection is awesome. I love this collection. I only got it once. I'm glad I did because it is a lot of glitter, and I'm not that glitter type of a person, but it works well. So I hope that you are liking the 12 days of Christmas memories that we're doing. I just found out Lisa was able to get a hold of me. Oh good Lord, I feel so bad for her because, you know, the land of social media and the land of just being part of the internet in general, her router burnt out. Like physically, her router just burnt to pieces. So she's got it on order. It's on the way. So she's super sorry that she has not been able to upload her process video. She's been able to go over to a friend's house to look up some of the, or like her neighbor or whatever, to be able to message out here and there. But yeah, it completely like fried on her. So she does have everything ready. She just needs to process them, like to upload them. So they're all ready to go, just waiting for her router to get in, get it all up and loaded into, her computer and all that. And then she can upload. So you'll probably get like a mass amount of Christmas memories from her, but it'll be perfect because you get to watch mine and then you can binge watch all of hers. And that'll be awesome. So make sure that you do like and subscribe to her channel because she is getting all of them up. She has sent over some sneak peeks of what she's been doing, and they look super duper gorgeous. And then also, I am 29 subscribers. I cannot believe I can say I'm like 29 subscribers away. That is awesome. Away from my 1,000 subscriber goal that I had for YouTube for the first year that I've been doing this. And I hope that you guys would like to and subscribe to my channel because I do have tons of content that's coming up. We're close to January and my Scrappy Chat is going to be amazing because I'm going to tell you all my goals and what you will see on my channel. So make sure that you do like and subscribe and just keep on coming back. I am almost done. This layout went super quick. The still shots are coming up and pretty much I'm almost done here. I'm just backing the rest of this, and then I look at it. I was going to do some journaling, and then I decided that the journaling is the letter, and that is it. So you'll finish this out. Still shots are coming up, and excuse me, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.